I gave myself exactly 1 hour to build a faceless YouTube channel from total scratch using only AI. No camera, no microphone, and absolutely zero design skills. The clock is ticking, and if it hits 0 before that first video is live, I have to delete everything. The whole experiment is a failure. This might be the single dumbest challenge I've ever set for myself. The idea is simple. Can one person with nothing but a credit card and a few AI tools launch a content-ready YouTube channel in just 60 minutes? No face, no voice, no experience needed. In this video, I'm showing you everything, every click, every tool, and every single mistake I make. You're going to see the exact prompts I used, the assets the AI spit out, and the final glorious or totally disastrous result. And the stakes are real. If I fail, this channel gets deleted and this video you're watching, it would never even see the light of day. So if you're seeing this, it means I somehow, some way, pulled it off. The real question is, how much time was left on the clock? And is the final channel actually any good? Let's find out. Alright, the timer is set to 60 minutes. Let's lay down the ground rules for this completely insane sprint. Rule number 1. I have to start from absolute zero. No pre-made ideas, no assets, not even a channel. Rule number 2. I have to pick a niche, create all the branding, that's the name, logo, and banner, and generate one full video. Rule number 3. Everything, the script, the voiceover, the visuals, the thumbnail, it all has to be generated by AI. My only job is to screen record the process. Rule number 4. No face, no voice. This has to be a 100% faceless, automated style channel. First things first, I need a niche. This is the entire foundation, and it has to be something an AI can actually work with. I'm thinking a topic that's easy to monetize, doesn't need complicated visuals, and has a ton of search volume. So I'm firing up ChatGPT. My prompt is, give me 10 YouTube niche ideas for a faceless channel. Make them beginner-friendly, totally producible with AI, and have high RPMs in things like finance, tech, or self-improvement. For each one, give me the niche and a quick one-sentence angle. The list pops up. Historical stories, psychology facts, luxury lifestyle. A few look pretty good, but one just jumps out at me. AI productivity for beginners. It's meta, it's evergreen, and the visuals can just be screen recordings and cool techie animations. It's perfect. Okay, niche selected. Time is already burning. Let's make a brand. With the niche locked in, I need a name, logo, banner, and channel description, like yesterday. I'm sticking with ChatGPT for the name. My prompt: generate 20 catchy YouTube channel names about AI productivity for beginners. Keep them short, brandable, and under 20 characters. The AI spits out a list. AI Advantage, Prompt Prodigy, Future Focused, AI Hustle Lab. You know what? I like AI Hustle Lab. It sounds modern and tells you what you're getting. I'm not going to overthink it. That's the name. Next, channel description. Prompt: write a 3-paragraph YouTube channel description for AI Hustle Lab. Make the tone energetic and clear. promise faceless AI-powered productivity tips for beginners, and throw in 3 bullet points about what people will learn. Done. I'll copy that and stash it for later. Now for the fun part, visuals. I'm jumping over to an AI image generator for the logo. My prompt: create a minimalist YouTube logo. Flat design. A modern, futuristic symbol representing AI and productivity. Use a blue and purple gradient and subtly work the letters AHL into a circular abstract shape. The AI gives me 4 options. One of them is surprisingly clean and professional. I'll take it. I just let a robot decide my entire brand identity. What could possibly go wrong? For the banner, I'm using a similar prompt, but with YouTube's banner dimensions. YouTube banner, techie, clean style, abstract AI data lines on a dark background with AI Hustle Lab on the left and AI-powered productivity hacks underneath. Leave some empty space on the right. Again, it gives me a few options. I grab the cleanest one. Just like that, I have all my branding assets. I quickly pop over to YouTube, hit Create Channel, upload the logo, slap on the banner, and paste in that AI description. Boom. A channel exists, but a channel without videos is just a digital ghost. We need to make something. I've got a channel, but I need a video. And not just any video, I need a banger idea that's both click-worthy and simple enough for an AI to handle the visuals. Back to ChatGPT, but this time it's my strategist. Prompt: act like a YouTube strategist. Give me 10 viral video ideas for my new channel, AI Hustle Lab. Each idea needs a high CTR title and a 1-sentence explanation. Focus on ideas that are easy to make with just a voiceover and stock or AI-generated clips. The ideas start rolling in. I automated my life for 24 hours with AI. 5 AI tools that replace your expensive subscriptions. This AI trick saves me 10 hours a week. I'm grabbing that last one. It's a classic listicle. It's direct, and it promises insane value. The title is 5 AI Tools That Save You 10 Hours a Week. No tech skills needed. Time for the full script. This is where things could really get bogged down, but I'm trusting the machine. My prompt is super detailed. Write a full 1,200-word YouTube script for the title 5 AI Tools That Save You 10 Hours a Week. The style should be fast-paced, first person, a little funny, with clear sections for each tool. Write a strong hook, an intro, a section for each of the 5 tools explaining what it does, and a powerful call to action at the end. The AI just starts writing. It's shockingly fast. As I'm scrolling, I can see it's structured just like a real YouTube video. It has an intro, transitions, even a few little jokes. It's not perfect though. A couple of sentences are a bit clunky and robotic. I spend about 3 precious minutes doing a quick polish, trimming some fat, rephrasing a few lines to sound more human, and adding a self-aware joke. Future me, drowning in comments, is probably screaming at me right now. Okay, script is locked. We have the words. Now we need the sounds and pictures. And I thought the script was going to be the hard part. I was so wrong. I've got less than half the time left, and I still need to generate a full voiceover and all the visual assets. This is the real test. First, the voice. I'm using an AI voice generator. I copy-paste my entire script into the platform and browse for a voice that sounds energetic, but also trustworthy. I settle on a young adult, American, friendly, and confident profile and hit generate. Within a minute, I have a full human-like audio file of my script. It's not flawless. There are 1 or 2 weird inflections, but for a 1-hour challenge, this is unreal. I download the MP3. Now for the visuals, which is the most time-consuming beast. I need a mix of screen recordings and AI B-roll. Back to ChatGPT for one last big job. Prompt: turn this script into a simple shot list for a faceless video. For each paragraph, suggest a visual, either screen recording of website, AI animation of concept, or AI generated image of description. Put it all in a table. The AI gives me a visual blueprint. For the intro, abstract tech animations. For each tool, a screen recording of its interface, plus some AI clips symbolizing time saving or productivity. I fire up an AI video generator and start feeding it prompts from my shot list. 10-second looping animation of a futuristic AI interface, neon blue lines, 16.9 aspect ratio. Abstract animation of a clock face speeding up. Minimalist animation of a checklist being ticked off. While those are rendering, I quickly record my screen while navigating to the 5 websites I'm featuring. This part is manual, but it's just capturing the AI tools in their natural habitat. I download the AI clips, grab my screen recordings, and now it's time to stitch this Frankenstein's monster together. The clock is practically screaming at me. This is it. This is where it all comes together or completely falls apart. I open up an AI-powered video editor. I drop the AI voiceover onto the timeline first. That's my guide. Then, I start throwing in the visuals, AI animations, screen recordings, and roughly sync them up with the narration. I'm not going for perfection here. I'm going for speed. Quick cuts, simple crossfades, no fancy effects. The editor has an auto-captioning feature, so I flick that on. I also add a few big, bold text overlays for key phrases like 10 hours a week and no skills needed. Finally, the video is assembled. It's rough, but it's a whole video. I slam the export button at 1080p. The progress bar feels like it's moving in slow motion while the real-world clock is sprinting. With the video exporting, I have just minutes to handle the most important details. The title, description, and thumbnail. I used ChatGPT one last time to brainstorm a better title. The winner is AI built this video, and it saves me 10 hours a week. It's mysterious and benefit-driven. I also get it to generate a keyword-stuffed description and a list of tags. For the thumbnail, I use an AI image tool with a little help from Canva. Prompt: YouTube thumbnail, high contrast, bold. A glowing AI brain graphic next to a clock icon with the text 10 hours saved in a huge unmissable font. The AI gives me the core image and I quickly add the text in Canva and download it. The video finishes exporting with just under 3 minutes to spare. I race to YouTube Studio, slam the upload button and start pasting everything in. Title, description, tags. I upload the thumbnail. My heart is pounding. With 47 seconds left on the clock, I hit publish. The timer goes off. Time's up. So here it is, the finished product. A complete faceless YouTube channel with its first video, all built from the ground up in under an hour with only AI. So how'd we do? Let's be honest and rate it on a scale of 1 to 10. For branding, I'd give it a solid 7. The logo and banner are clean and professional, even if they're a little generic. For the video quality, maybe a 6. The voice is clear and the visuals get the point across, but it definitely lacks the soul of a human editor. And the big question, would I actually watch this? Honestly, maybe. It delivers the information, but it's not exactly the most entertaining thing on the planet. The biggest takeaway here is that AI is an absolutely incredible tool for speed and efficiency. It can smash through writer's block, generate assets in seconds, and automate the most tedious parts of making content. But it still lacks the nuance, the creativity, and the soul that a human creator brings to the table. It's a ridiculously powerful assistant, not a replacement. But that was just 1 hour. Imagine what AI could do with a whole week. If you want to see a part 2 where I let AI completely run this channel for 7 days, picking the topics, writing the scripts, making the videos, then hit that subscribe button. Let me know in the comments what you think of this crazy challenge, and if you'd ever try it yourself. Thanks for watching.